Hi, my name is Mike Jones, founder of Autopom. We provide vehicle service contracts that help protect you from the high cost of unexpected auto repairs. But we know that peace of mind is more than just coverage. That's why we've brought together three trusted brands, Autopom, RepairPal, and CarGenius, to help you navigate the road to automotive peace of mind.
Even the best vehicles break down, but peace of mind doesn't have to. Most drivers worry about what will happen if something goes wrong. Do you visit a dealership and risk overpaying, or try a local shop and hope for the best? That uncertainty alone can turn a minor repair into major stress. That's precisely why Autopom partnered with RepairPal and why CarGenius completes the picture. Together, these three resources deliver financial protection, expert advice, and trusted repairs, the three essentials of true automotive peace of mind. First, breakdown protection plans sold by Autopom help you manage the cost of unexpected repairs, and we act as a resource if you need help with a claim, easing both financial and emotional stress when you need it most. Next, CarGenius gives every Autopom customer access to free pre-shop advice from experienced automotive professionals. Whether you're confused by a warning indicator, hearing something unusual, or want to know the expected cost of a repair, CarGenius can guide you before you head to a shop and even recommend a reputable RepairPal certified location. Finally, RepairPal Certified Shops are thoroughly vetted for quality, fairness, and professionalism. All shops are scored across 4 matrices in order to ensure they meet the highest standards in each category: customer service, tools and equipment, training, specialties, and amenities. Together, Autopom, CarGenius, and RepairPal form a complete system built on protection and trust. You're not just covered, you're informed, supported, and empowered. Getting started with automotive peace of mind is simple. 1. Click the link below to get a free quote for breakdown protection from a friendly Autopom coverage advisor. 2. Ask about RepairPal certified shops in your area. 3. Purchase your breakdown protection plan with affordable monthly payments. 4. Drive with confidence knowing you're supported by a triad of trusted resources: Autopom, CarGenius, and RepairPal. 5. Use your complimentary CarGenius benefit for pre-shop advice before visiting any repair facility.
In closing, nobody likes car trouble. But with Autopom, CarGenius, and RepairPal, you don't have to go it alone. You'll have coverage, expert advice, and reliable shops, all in your corner. So call us today at 800-724-8141 or tap the link below for a simple, no-pressure quote, and enjoy automotive peace of mind.